I could sure use a bike at CES 2020. Arnaud, it looks like you have a bike that can hold me and a passenger. So Tell us about the Wello.
Yes, thank you. Basically, we took the best from two worlds, the bicycle world and the car world. So the bicycle is agile, is compact, is cost efficient, and is fully green, easy to park. And the car protects you from the weather, has a good seat. It's also connected like the Wello. It's about 35,000 data per day on our web platform that we share with our customers. And we have solar panels in order to reload it. And we already worked with professionals. And today we present you the family version that you can see here. So here you have a cargo. If you go to the shop, you need to get some stuff. And hop, you want to get your kids back from school, and you have the version here. And you still have a luggage compartment here in order to get some stuff back for your kids or for the shop.
And it's electric assist, so that makes it easy to drive around, right?
Exactly. We designed it in Reunion Island, which is a small island nearby Mauritius. And the island is a mountain at the middle of the sea. So we have a lot of slope, and we designed it up to slopes of 12%. And most of professionals, such as post-mail, etc., ask for a maximum of 10%. So it goes up. Like this morning, we were in Red Rock. Yeah, it was really nice. I have some good pictures to show you. And there were a slope of 14%, and it was okay with a passenger.
Now, does it have shields on the side to protect it from rain and so forth?
Yes, actually, we noticed that when you move, most of the rain comes from the front.
Okay.
You don't have much from the side. It's only when you stop, and you have the possibility, to have a kind of small transparent stuff that we zip here, and you go. It protects also from side rain.
That makes sense. So this is available today?
Yeah, exactly. So here is the first version of the family. As I was telling you, we produced the family because we had a lot of requests from our professional customer to get a version for them when they wanted to go back at home, get their kids, etc. So now we are producing this family version for 2020.
And there's also some delivery versions, right?
Yes, exactly. We have some pictures of it for post-mail, for EDF, which is a big central, big power stations, for cities, for operators. We have a pickup version as well. You want to see some picture?
Sure.
Yeah. So here is the version we are producing, cargo stuff. Okay. So we produce for EDF on the power station. We produce for city of Saint-Denis. We also work with long-term unemployed people, so they gain new skill by assembling the vehicle. We made a pickup version, which is for operators in big areas, and we also with solar panels. And for example, for postman, yes. So this is family version now.
So you can charge it, plug it in, I assume, too, right?
Yes, you can plug it in. You can also have the solar panels to produce the energy for the battery. And an additional point with solar panels is that it always loads a bit the lithium battery, which preserves the lithium battery. So you made more cycles, and you keep this amount of lithium for going longer.
And I assume there's some provisions to prevent someone from stealing it.
Yes, exactly. As I told you, the vehicle is fully connected, so we can positionate it through the web platform. If a customer is asking for us to find their Wello, we can find it on the platform. And we also have kind of locking system and a key system as well.
So this is available today?
Yes, it's available today.
And what sort of price are we looking at?
The pickup version is between 4,900 to 6,900, and this version is 7,900.
When will you start selling them in the United States?
Yeah. So far, we started in Reunion Island 4 years ago with 3,000 euros and a container, and now we are producing for the main customers I was telling you in professional. Now we are manufacturing also in Le Mans. Maybe you know the 24 hours of Le Mans.
Okay, yeah.
So we are in Europe now, in continental Europe, and we may have some partnerships with American companies also in order to produce for California, for example.
So you're looking at potentially licensing it to companies in California?
Yes. we believe in people sharing our values. This is the most important for us. We made it for our kids because we want the next generation to live in better cities, in better places.
Excellent. Well, that's a great vision, and thank you very much, Arnaud.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Take care.